In this video, we're going to cover the watchlist screeners on TradingView. You've probably seen these on Thinkorswim. We have a day trades column and a swing trades column. We've done a similar implementation on TradingView. However, it is even more flexible and it is combined into one indicator. So all you have to do is change the time frame of the chart to go from an intraday setting to a long-term swing trading kind of a setup. The watchlist screeners are the step one of the 4-step process to success in trading and investing. I've also put the day trades column, which also gives you the same signals, but on a much shorter time frame. There are 1 minute, 2 minute and 5 minute intervals. But now let's go over to TradingView and see how this is implemented on TradingView. Step one is identifying which stocks are primed for a move, which stocks are very bullish, which stocks are very bearish, so that you can take the appropriate trade. On TradingView, this is like a widget over here, and you can put up to 40 tickers. You can have not just one of these, you can have 2 of these widgets, you can have 3 of these widgets. So if you have 60, 80, 100 stocks that you want to track, then it's possible on TradingView. Now, if you go to Thinkorswim and you look at the swing trades column, you can see that IBM, Microsoft, Spotify, Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer are very bullish. Let's go over to the TradingView platform and you'll see the exact same thing. So it's the same code that was working on Thinkorswim. Now it works on TradingView. And then on the very bearish side, you have Alibaba and you have Apple. And if you go to Thinkorswim, that's you'll also see those on the very bearish side, which is Apple and Alibaba. So it's the same code and it's been ported over to TradingView. You can change any of these symbols on the watch list. All you have to do is right click and go into settings. You can also move the position. This is on the top right. You can move it to the top left and it will go over to the left side. That way it won't interfere with your chart. We'll get to the MTFT and the custom RSI in the next couple of videos. But to change the time frame to an intraday setting, you can very easily do that just clicking the 1 minute here, or I've already created a template and I'll just change the template, and now you can see that this watch list is now based on the 1 minute. So on an intraday basis, you can see which one is bullish, which one is bearish, which ones are neutral, and so on and so forth. Having this kind of a watch list scanner is the first step to creating a successful plan. That way you know which stock you want to trade, you know which stocks are primed for a move. In the following videos, we are going to cover steps 2 and 3, which is getting into a trade and getting out of a trade. And that will involve the MTFT and the custom RSI. We'll see you there. Thank you.